Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review a hair removal device. In this channel I have reviewed a couple of them already. This is a new one of those, so it's an IPL version. Let's open up the cover first and see what we have got inside the package. So there we go, this is the box. So this is how it looks like, some technical information of the product. So it's 48 watts, so it has 5 different levels. It can be basically, there's no battery, so it can be only directly connected to the power apparently. It has a very large long life, so full body hair removal can be used in any place of the body. Ice cooling, I'm not sure what is this. Let's open this up and see what we have. So it comes in this box. We can just remove the cover of the box. There we go. So it comes with a pretty large booklet. That's the user manual of the device. So it has multiple languages. So it comes with the main machine adapter, user manual, razor. So it's on and off button, ice cool button, I'm not really sure what it is, cooling area, and flash button. Ice cooling mode, auto flash mode, energy level display. So this is how it should be used. Should be directly used on the skin. And 50 Fahrenheit. So enable ice cooling mode can reduce burning and irritation sense during operation with painless experience. We need to check that out. I'm very curious what it is. So it can be used for twice a week, should be used, and then afterwards between 5 to 8 weeks, and after 8 weeks, every 1 or 2 months for the optimum usage. So cool. Let's check what else we have got. Tips for the use, figure 1, figure 2. Spread your fingers to hold hair removal. Leave enough space for the heat dissipation. Alright, so which means don't block the cooling part. Quick guide. It can be used for face, armpit, arm, leg, backhand, bikini line. Then you have got the shave. Well, basically need to be shaved. Then connect it to the power. Use the glass. Directly use this one. Long press this one for 2 seconds to turn on the short press the power button to switch the 1 or 5 energy level. Flash button, short press manual mode, long press auto mode, press flash button again to end the auto mode. Apply skincare products. Well, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, this is the link. Fine. Alright, so this is our device. Bigger than what I thought actually. Pretty heavy actually, really heavy product. So this is how it looks like. Nice design. It's just basically as big as a hand, I would say. So it has a display in here. So this is the power button. This one the inlet probably. This one the cooling outlets. And this is the laser head. Let's turn it on. I press this one. Oh, alright, this has no battery, so we need to directly connect it to the power. Alright, so let's get the charger out. So, as I always say in every video, so I really like the ones coming with boxes. Looks much more sleek and more up-to-date design. This is the adapter. Let's check it out. So, 1.5 amps, 48 watts, 220 volts. Sounds good. Let's just connect this one to the power, then we can try the product. So now I have the power adapter. Let's just connect it. Interesting line display actually here. Let's turn it on. I think this is the lifetime. Interesting, so it shows the lifetime how it is. So This is the inlet, this is the outlet. This one's also the outlet actually. Interesting, so it detects if the surface is closed, then it will work. Because otherwise you can't just do it, you can't just use it as a laser for a safety reason. So which means it has like some proximity sensor. Look, when I close it, it starts blinking. And this is an interesting idea to show the lifetime, but on the other side, well, this is the power, so it can be changed. And pretty loud actually, the fan. What I don't like is actually the power cable. So because this one is very short power cable actually, so if you want to use this product, basically you need probably a longer power cable on this, which could be a little bit of trouble. If this had a kind of battery, for example, could have been much better. Compared to other products, I could say this is actually smaller and more portable, I would say. A big challenge is actually these outlets, because no matter how you put your hand, it's actually a little bit hard because it may block this surface. So, and basically removing this, yeah, there's no battery, you see, it just directly goes off. And the last piece which we haven't seen is basically the laser pack. The laser pack we have got, actually, alright, so we have the glass as well. So this is the glass. Actually exactly the same glass as the other product which we have checked before. So it looks the same quality as well. And this is just a razor, very small razor, I would say. Alright, hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments. And don't forget to like the video if you like it. And don't forget to subscribe as well. I always have new videos coming up for different products on daily basis. Make sure you subscribe to stay tuned. See you in the next video. Until then, take care, thank you, and bye bye.